Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. Ooh, wow, look at this pixie. Now, what I love about this is the amount of volume and height the stylist was able to achieve. The overall shape is just so modern and fun. Wow, what a gorgeous haircut. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Face framing layers to frame out this bob. Oh wow, look at the feathered bangs. Very fun. Gorgeous bob haircut. I really like that hair color on her as well. Beautiful chocolate brown. So here we have someone with hair around mid-back length. Stylist does a nice fresh shoulder length bob here. A bit of a dramatic angle, longer in the front, shorter in the back. Very cute, simple, stylish bob. So here we have someone with the bob. The stylist does a cut refresh. Oh, she ended up getting a nice little mini bob cut refresh. Very cute. And we're still seeing a lot of mini bobs this season. Great style idea if you want to go short, but you want to keep some length. This would be the perfect cut to try out. Oh, so we have someone here with hair around waist length. The hair is braided, most likely going to be donated here. The stylist chops off the sections. And she gets a nice shoulder length cut here.